everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to use basic shapes in Adobe Illustrator to create an illustration, I guess, or in this case an icon. This is one of the icons from a icon font that I just am soon releasing in a couple days here. You can check that out on Creative Market at creativemarket.com/SeanCoady. So today I'm gonna just quickly recreate this little campfire icon, show you the process through that, and hopefully you can take that and start creating your own icons or just illustrations of any kind, really. These techniques, you'll find, I'm sure you'll use them a lot for many other things. So let's start with two circles and give them a stroke, a nice thick stroke so we can see it. And we'll make one smaller because this will be the back of one of our logs. And now I'm just going to go ahead and grab the pen tool and connect them. And I'm going to try something here. Actually, I'm going to set the stroke to inside. It just makes it easier to blend the shapes here seamlessly. Makes it less obvious where they connect. And good enough. Alright. So now we're going to join these, the smaller circle and the rectangle. We're going to join these two shapes. And do I still? Yeah, okay. And from here, we're actually going to expand our shape and then select both of them and go over to the right here, or wherever your toolbar is, and find the shape builder tool. If it's not there, it might be the live paint bucket, or I highly doubt it, but it might be the live paint selection tool. Anyway, grab the shape builder tool, and once you have both of them selected, just pick a spot that you want to remove. Hold Alt down to remove it. You can add, you can fill shapes, or remove shapes by holding down Alt, and just join these two, duplicate it, reflect it, cross them up however you'd like, and then select both of those, grab your shape builder tool again. Nice and easy. So that's the logs right there. And then for the fire, we'll just make an oval. What was it, 15 we used, just to keep everything consistent. And then actually I'm going to start with it black, and then we'll see why. I'll make this white just to, so it's still, there's still live shapes, and I can tweak it however I'd like without committing to anything. Once you've got it how you'd like, select both of them, Pathfinder, go to your Pathfinder and hit, I don't know why the name isn't showing up, I believe it's minus front. You got to make sure the shape you want to remove from the other. Anyway, so we'll switch this back to a stroke of 15, and there we're gonna round the corners here. In case you didn't know, strokes in Illustrator have a bunch of settings you can manipulate. You can dash your strokes. Edit those properties for the dash, and you can round your corners, give a beveled corner, which I don't use too often, and anyway, so now we've got the fire, the log, which is great, but I think we're gonna step it up even further. But yeah, it's not as beefy as the icon here. You can even still just bump the stroke up. Good enough, good enough. So yeah, we're gonna take it a bit further here now and color it, because that shape builder tool is actually great for coloring objects. First, let's grab the logs here. Turn them a dark brown. Let's grab the fire. Turn it a dark orange. And then make a rectangle behind the fire. Turn that a brighter orange. Select them both, grab the shape builder, and get rid of the surrounding area. And boom, we've just made our fire. I'm actually gonna tweak that dark orange a little bit. And then do the same for the wood here. Select both of them, boom, boom. Make two little circles. Move them back behind the dark layer. The dark shape, I guess I should say. And there's your colored fire. Your colored camping fire. And then we'll give this flat image some just gonna move this off to the side. It's kind of distracting me. And we're gonna give it some dimension. So take, I think it's grouped right now, this whole thing. So just take that, hit Command C, and then Command F to copy it and then paste it directly in front. And then go to your Pathfinder and unite everything, so you just have this one shape. And remember, you duplicated it, so you've still got your original here. And then go to the gradient tool, select radial. Yeah, I think I was already doing this earlier. So if you don't, here's another little tip. Let's say, I don't know what it would normally be on, probably black and white. Set these to the original settings. So this is how it would normally be. You get, switch it to radial. You grab your slider here, and then you hit I on your keyboard to grab your eyedropper tool, and then hold down Shift and click whichever color you'd like to grab, and then it will select it in your slider. If it's a custom color that isn't in this main swatch, or that you don't have the hex code for, it's a handy little tip that saves a lot of time. And drag the opacity of one of them down. Grab the gradient tool from over here just to get some more control over it. And there you go. Quick little illustration, just to show you some, various techniques that I use and I know a lot of other people use to achieve certain results and save time in your process. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and remember, I've got this icon font. It's going to be for sale in a couple days on Creative Market, at creativemarket.com/SeanCoady. It'll be $10. Comes with some nice Photoshop brushes too. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. See you later.